for a sensory overload. The roar of engines, the crack of timber, and the sight of massive trees toppling in seconds. This video pushes the boundaries of logging like never before. Don't miss it.
Oh.
Dude's lucky to be alive. Once that tree contacts a high voltage conductor, just leave it, it's already screwed. No sense in trying to knock it off of there and risk having that current go through you. With surgical precision, the logger felled the century-old sugar pine. The steel MS661 chainsaw, renowned for its power and maneuverability, ripped through the dense heartwood, sending a cloud of sawdust skyward. Despite the tree's immense size, the experienced logger's technique ensured a controlled fall, minimizing damage to the surrounding forest. The problem wasn't the two stumps at the same time. The problem was that the truck just skidded, coupled with the fact that the Palanquero eater pulled out his paw just a second before, causing the truck to stop moving forward. If the truck had not skidded, the car would have passed over the stumps without issue. Observe those trees. Their atypical inclination and unpredictable nature pose a considerable threat to the vicinity. Fortunately, two highly skilled individuals are addressing the situation with expertise. Despite the delicate nature of the task, they are fully prepared to undertake the challenge.
Good luck. Hello. Oh, man. With roots and everything, man. That's the way it's done.
Awesome.
There we go.
Man.
The Komatsu 951XC harvester is an 8-wheeled forestry machine built for steep slopes and soft terrain. It features a 7.4-liter AGCO power engine delivering 214 kilowatts and 1,280 Newton meters torque, with a hydraulic system providing 528 liters per minute flow at 280 bar. Compact and powerful, it's equipped with a self-leveling cab for comfort and stability, making it ideal for dense forests. The Tornado Stump Grinder is a powerful attachment designed to efficiently remove tree stumps. With a direct drive system and high-performance engine, it offers fast and precise cutting. Equipped with durable tungsten carbide blades, it quickly processes stumps for landscaping or excavation projects. Tornado can be mounted on various machinery, providing flexibility for different work environments. Whoa, stop right there. Cutting down trees? Absolutely not. This situation is far more alarming than it appears. The Shearex M60SR excavator mulcher is a robust tool for 20 to 25 ton excavators, built to clear material up to 15 inches thick with a 58.75-inch cutting width. It features a 21-blade rotor running at 3,000 RPM, requires 42 gallons per minute hydraulic flow, and operates at 6,000 pounds per square inch. With its durable convex DX protection and 130 horsepower power minimum, it's perfect for tough forestry and land clearing tasks. The LKT Turbo 81 demands absolute precision. With its powerful 750-watt motor and 4-stage planetary gearbox, this tool can tackle the toughest slopes, but even the slightest miscalculation can have serious repercussions. The danger inherent in this type of downhill work is far greater than any photograph can convey. This DIY firewood splitter showcases impressive ingenuity. By repurposing a hydraulic press and scrap metal, the creator has engineered a functional solution for processing firewood. While aesthetically unrefined, the device demonstrates the practical application of hydraulic force for efficiently splitting logs. The results speak for themselves. That tree holds immense potential energy, much like a coiled spring. Mismanagement can have disastrous consequences. Prioritize safety by understanding the forces at play. This video demonstrates the importance of proper technique and certified training. Remember, responsible operation ensures both your safety and the longevity of your equipment. Take advantage of your tall stump and hook up closer to the top, and it will act like a lever against the back roots, pulling them first. When putting the chain around the stump, it's okay to wrap it once or twice, but the slip hook should be hooked back to the main chain. That way it won't spin around the tree as you pull.
Part of my yard. I also removed some stumps, but mostly, yeah.
The Red Roo SHP 400 and Rice Corp Stump Humper are both reliable stump grinders. The SHP 400 features a 13 horsepower Honda engine, making it ideal for smaller jobs and DIY use, with easy maneuverability and a budget-friendly price. Meanwhile, the Rice Corp Stump Humper, powered by a more robust engine, offers durability and efficiency for professional, heavy-duty work in tight spaces. When dealing with uprooted and snapped trees after a storm, barber chair is a risk you have to watch out for. One particular tree he was working on had its undercut pinched almost immediately, trapping the energy stored in the trunk. This led to the tree barber chairing on him. He knew it was a possibility and had assessed the tension in the trunk to keep it under control. Fortunately, the collapsing root plate absorbed most of the momentum, making the situation safer. The Cubic 2 redefines firewood processing. Its robust design and cutting-edge engineering translate to unparalleled efficiency. While the initial investment ranges from $10,000 to $15,000, its advanced hydraulic system and powerful 4-cylinder diesel engine ensure high output and minimal maintenance, guaranteeing a significant return on investment for serious producers. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
$1.
It's astonishing to realize that this enormous, solid piece of wood originated from a tiny seed. Once a mere sapling, it has grown into this massive form, ready to be transformed into numerous durable and beautiful objects. It's a testament to the power of nature that we can use such plants to construct immense structures. This is the HMC Rosserhead, a machine designed for precision and efficiency. It minimizes damage to the fiber while maximizing the removal of bark. You will be able to process more logs in less time, giving you a significant competitive advantage. The Ponancy Bear is a forestry powerhouse with a 260 kilowatt engine, an 11 meter C6 crane, and the efficient H8 harvesting head. Its 8-wheel design and heavy-duty tires ensure stability, while fuel efficiency and easy maintenance make it a cost-effective choice for logging. This appears to be a Kenworth T880S, a heavy-duty truck commonly used in the logging industry. It is currently transporting a load of logs up a steep incline, demonstrating its impressive hauling capacity. The lumber industry has experienced a significant shift due to advancements in automation and precision cutting. These changes have fundamentally altered wood processing methods. In this analysis, we will examine the crucial steps involved in lumber production. Prepare to acquire a comprehensive understanding of this essential industry. The Vermeer WC2500TX is a rugged whole tree chipper powered by a 600 horsepower Cummins QSX15 engine. It features an 86.4 centimeters wide feed roller, a 3-meter infeed table, and a tracked undercarriage for tough terrains. With replaceable wear parts and advanced controls, it's built for efficient and durable performance in demanding forestry jobs. This video depicts a stump removal process in Finland. The machinery used is likely quite intriguing, wouldn't you agree? The VTZ Plus from Mibor is a fast, vertical band sawmill with a tilted log carriage. It's engineered for high output while maintaining quality. The design is smart, balancing speed, energy efficiency, and a high yield of lumber. This sawmill is innovative and performs exceptionally well, making it a great choice for companies that need efficiency and accuracy in their wood processing.
Gracias totales.
The Brachy T26A is a powerful forestry machine designed for tough terrain. Weighing 3,600 kilograms with a disc diameter of 1,000 millimeters, 1,400 millimeters including teeth, it features a 140-bar hydraulic system and 100 liters per minute flow rate. Equipped with a 24-volt electrical system and PLC-based controls, it ensures efficient and reliable operation for forestry tasks. This Finnish-engineered marvel redefines stump removal. The Vekava Kantopilkkari boasts a hydraulically driven splitting blade and a conical screw for maximum extraction power. Its robust design and intuitive controls ensure effortless operation and long-term durability, making it a valuable asset for land clearing professionals. If that adrenaline rush left you wanting more, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. We're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible, so stay tuned for more mind-blowing machinery and epic feats. Until next time, keep it extreme.